Why does this guy think I'm funny? I'm not a comedian. Hey, where's the tennis ball? Oh, there it is. Give it back, other dog. Thank you. This water is really getting cold. I'm leaving. Whoop, whoop. Oh, this is much better. On the couch with my tennis ball. Okay, I'm gonna go back in because I want to. What a splash that was, wasn't it? Oh, this is much better. Okay, this is awesome. The other dog, face it to the other end. Ready, set, go. I won, you lose, I won fair and square. Take that. I'm way too tired. I'm gonna go to bed. Good